Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Codespaces and start coding directly in the cloud. So first of all, you need to come here on github.com, then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you just have to simply open that particular repository that you want to work on. So when you are here, simply click on the option of code. Now by default, you will be shown the local tab, but I want you to click on the option of the Codespaces. After clicking on this option, simply click on the option of create Codespaces on main. This way, GitHub is going to create a cloud-based development environment. So you need to simply just open it in the Visual Studio Code in your web browser. Now your repository files will appear in the Explorer on the left-hand section that you can basically edit just like you would on your computer. So you need to simply, in order to basically run it, you just have to open the terminal, and over here after opening the terminal you just have to simply click on the option of the new terminal and then enter your project's normal start command such as npm or run or dev for a node.js application. Now if your application uses a web server, Codespaces can detect the running port, so you can just simply open the port tab, find the port and click the forwarded address in order to preview your application in the web browser. You can later return to your Codespaces from GitHub to Codespaces and then you can continue working where you left off. So that's how basically you can use GitHub Codespaces. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.